A new chapter with the Renault Clio. It was a crisp Monday morning when Sarah stepped out of her flat, coffee in hand, ready to take on her new job in the city. But today wasn't just the start of a career, it was also the first day with her brand new car, the Renault Clio. The moment she slid into the driver's seat, she felt it, the first standout feature, elegant and contemporary design. The Clio's sleek lines, LED headlights, and signature Renault front grille gave it a premium look that turned heads as she pulled out of her parking spot. It didn't just look stylish, it felt like her. As she merged onto the dual carriageway, the second advantage made itself known, surprisingly punchy performance with fuel efficiency. The Clio handled beautifully, smooth acceleration, responsive steering, and all without guzzling fuel. Ideal for a young professional balancing commuting and weekend getaways. Later that day, navigating through narrow city lanes and tight parking bays, Sarah appreciated the third feature, compact size and easy maneuverability. It was nimble enough to weave through traffic and squeeze into the last spot in the underground car park, stress-free. On her way home, she popped into the supermarket. With 2 bags of groceries and a spontaneous houseplant purchase, she opened the boot and smiled. The fourth feature stood out, surprisingly spacious and flexible interior. The rear seats folded down effortlessly, creating ample room for everything she'd picked up. Small car, big space. And finally, what truly sealed the deal for Sarah, the fifth and most important feature, advanced safety technologies. From lane departure warning to emergency brake assist and multiple airbags, the Clio offered peace of mind every time she hit the road, alone or with friends. Since that day, the Renault Clio hasn't just been a car. For Sarah, it's a trusted companion, stylish, smart, and always ready for the